So today we are going to discuss about the consignment process. Okay, and we are going to practice our consignment process in the system. Okay,
Yes.
so make a note. The consignment process. So dumping the stock at the customer place.
Yes, sir. Customer, please.
And keeping ownership with the company.
Sir, keeping.
Ownership with the company.
Sir, dumping stocks for the customers. Sir.
Yeah. So here what we will do, we will dumping the stock at the customer.
Oh, voice is not clear, sir. Disturbing.
1 second. 1 second. Yeah, ma'am.
Sir, ಅದೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು dumping stocks at the customers.
Customer place and keeping ownership with the company.
Sorry, guys. So I have to pick the call. So I have to mute. Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Let me know once you can hear now. Yeah. So today we are discussing the consignment process. So consignment process is dumping the stock at the customer place and keeping the ownership with the company. But the sentence itself you can understand, right? We are sending some stock to customers, but we are not selling the goods. Just we are keeping the ownership with us, but we are keeping the stock at the customer place. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So when actually our customers sell the goods to their customer, then we will raise the invoice to our customer. So that means we are for dummy stock, what we are going, we are sending the stocks to customer place. Okay, some stocks. So after that, if with that customer, if any other customer is associated or anything, so he will send the goods to, he will sell the goods to their customers. So after that, what it will happen? So we are going to charge to our customers. I mean, our SAP invoice will be going to charge to our customer. And if anything stocks are left at the customer place, and again we are taking back the stock from the our customer. So usually why it will be useful, the consignment process is, if it is a newly launched products are there. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
customer won't ready to purchase the product directly. So what we will do in that case, we will keep the stock. We will send some stock to our customer place. So if our customer having any associate customers are there with him, so he will try to sell that products to them. Okay. If he is able to sell some products to their customer, so the some stock is reduced in stocks, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that stock for the remaining quantity, remaining stocks we are taking back from the customer, and whatever the our customer sell the goods to their customer, the for the remaining stocks we are going to raise the invoice to our customer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
It's
there are,
something like the dealership.
yeah, it's kind of dealership. So and it's a kind of dealership, but we are not charging initially to that customers. Okay.
Yes.
So that the customer able to keep the stock with his places, and if he can able to sell the products, yes, he can sell. So how much quantity send the product, that much quantity we are going to bill to our customer later. Okay. If he is unable to sell the products, then we will take back that stocks from that person. I mean our customer.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's a very simple concept. So here there are four different document types are there. Let me open that Excel file.
Sir, share the screen, sir.
Yeah. So in consignment process, we have four steps. That is consignment fill up, consignment issue, consignment returns, consignment pickup. the consignment process, we have 4 steps. There is one consignment fill up and consignment issue, consignment returns, and consignment pickup. So usually when we will do that consignment process is when if it is a new launched product, or if there is any slow moving items are there, unnecessarily we are keeping the stocks with us. Guys, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I thought I am speaking in the mute. So if there is any newly launched products are there, or if any slow movement stocks are there, okay, in that case we will use this consignment process. Okay, so consignment process is one of the push strategy. Make a note. Consignment process is one of the push strategy to push the products into market.
They're usually used in slow moving goods.
Yeah, usually used in the slow moving products or newly launched products. You make this as an example. So why interview point of view, this is very important. Definitely in any interview they will ask what is the consignment process. Can you please elaborate? So you need to start from this, the dumping the stock at customer place, and we use the consignment process only for if there is newly launched products or slow moving items. In that way you can start. Okay.
Yes.
So consignment process is one of the push strategy to push the products into market. Okay. So why we are using the consignment process? Because so with this consignment process, uh, for customer, he don't need to invest initially. So we are just sending the goods to their place, and we are not asking to pay that money, whatever the stock we are sent to that customer. So he will preferably he will accept the deal. Correct? Are you
Yes.
getting? So
Yes.
without paying, we are giving the stock to him. He can able to sell the goods. He can sell. So on basis on how much quantity he send the goods to their customer, on that basis we are charged to our customers. Okay. This is
Sir,
the benefit of consignment process. Yes.
sir, this consignment process we are using on behalf of our customer, no, our client, no, sir.
Yeah, behalf of our customer, but yes, correct. But the thing is, for your understanding, I'm telling like we are the clients, and we are sending the goods to some other vendors. Okay, in that way you can assume.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So so whenever the customer is accept about this deal, so we will ask, our management will ask to customer saying that we are having this many newly launched products are there. If you are okay, we will send some sample stocks to you. If you have any customers, you just sell them. If not, we will take it back. So if this is the agreement between the customer and the client will be happen before the consignment process starts. Okay.
Yes.
So in the SAP point of view, there are 4 steps are there in the consignment point. Okay, make a note. Consignment fill up. And you make this 4 step: consignment fill up and consignment issue, consignment returns, and consignment pickup. There are four stages are there in the consignment process.
Yes, sir. First one.
Yeah. So make a note, consignment fill up. Consignment fill up means dumping the stock at the customer place and keeping ownership with the company. For that, I will try to create right away in the system. Hey, hardly the class will be another 20 minutes. That's it. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me log into the system.
Sir, tomorrow take it for the same time, no, sir, morning.
Yeah, tomorrow I will take morning hours only, mostly. Make a note. For consignment fill up, the document type is CF. And also note a few other points. These are all you need to describe when they will ask about the interview. What is the consignment process? So everyone will tell like dumping the stock at the customer place. That's okay. But the SAP point of view, you can understand the key points. The document type for consignment fill up is CF. Okay.
Yes.
And item category KAN. I am writing here. So these are all important things. Document type is CF. CF for consignment fill up. Standard this one. If you want to create, you can create. Now you know, right, how to create the documents and all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Item category KAN. Okay. And schedule line category E1 and movement types. So first time you are hearing the movement types and all, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Going forward, you came to know what is the movement type and schedule and category, item category. Six three one. Okay. Consignment, let us see. So let me try to create one document. So
These are the standard ones, sir.
these are all the standard ones. So whenever the consignment process is there in the you should be using the standard one. No, you can, if you want to create your own document type, you can. But the thing is, standard protocol as per the standard process, these are all the standard ones. Document type is CF, item category CAN, that is also you can create. Document also you can create. Item category also you can create your own. And schedule and category also you can create your own. But the movement type is always constant, okay? Movement type will not change. SAP is already defined movement types in the system. So we need to use the same movement types, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So let me try to, first of all, before going for the consignment fill up, I will try to post some stock in the 1C for our material. What is planned? T100 storage location. And click on this. You know how to post the stocks, correct? Guys?
Sir.
Yeah. So I maintain the quantity of 10,000. Saved it. Let's see what is the stock. You know how to see the stocks?
No, sir.
So see the stock transaction code is MMBE. Make a note. MMBE transaction code is for display stocks. MMBE.
So you're posting stocks because you have availability check, no, sir. So what you're posting.
No, see, in the material master, when we are created initially, we made the check of availability check 2. Okay, we are by default we are added availability check 2. So it's using the same availability check. Okay, so I will tell you availability check and transfer of requirements in going forward. But I want to finish out these document types first of all. Then after we will go for one by one each concept. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I have posted 10,000 stock. Now you can see there was total stock on the plant 10,000. Some change stocks is there. Okay. Extra 10,000 plus stock is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's see. 3, 4, 3, 8. So I'm creating my own document type instead of CF. Copy as. So because why I'm creating the why I'm not using the standard one, because of see, if for any testing, if you go for the any controls and all, so we are going to change anything, and uh, we are testing from our side for understanding, correct? So
Yes.
that only I am creating my own things. So I don't want to disturb the standard ones, because if anyone is already using, they might be in the trouble if we are changing any fields and all. So you will also try to create your own consignment fill up TCF I am giving. So you click on copy all. Yes. Enter. So we have created TCF and save it. So also note these points also in the parallelly. Consignment issue. The document type is CFCI and movement item category is KEN. So these are all the standard. Whenever the interview point of view, you need to tell this one only. Okay.
Consignment fill up is completed, sir.
No, it's not completed. I'm not created anything, but you make this all the points so that you will be, I will show in the practically. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute.
D0.
The schedule line, what's it that you make it?
Schedule and category.
No. Schedule line. See, for consignment issue, make the consignment.
Yes.
Consignment issue C1 it is. C1.
That is D0, sir.
B0 numeric 0. It's, let's see. So we are posted the stocks. So interview point of view, when you are explaining about the consignment fill up and consignment issue, you need to use this the terminology. Item category for consignment fill up is KAN and schedule and category E1 and movement type is 601. Okay. Likewise, each step having their own schedule and category and movement type. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have created our own TCF. And also parallelly, I am going to copy this and all because it was much more time consuming for assigning the stackment types. Whenever you are creating for the first time, it will take some time, right, for assigning these and all. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Yeah. So we we need to map these document types in our controls. OV, OVAZ. Hope you remember whatever the new document type which you are creating, you need to assign into our sales area. Copy as TONR. I am giving enter. Working hours, it's only tomorrow. I will definitely make it morning only. And then let me see CP.
Sir, now you are not working, sir, now.
What?
You don't have, today you have holiday, sir, for
No, no,
you.
no. I am taking for 10 another 20 minutes, right? So I can manage. So now I have created the customized document types. Okay.
Yes.
So these, but the initially when you are creating this document types, what you need to do. So if I go and try to create the order, whether it will allow TCF and then F TCF. Okay. And then my fill up is there.
We need to give sales organization and all also.
Yes, correct. So it's already mapping is there because we are copied the standard one, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it's applied for everywhere. TCF, enter, give the customer and the material. I suppose I am sending the stocks of 10,000 to our customer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fill up,
Test.
enter, enter, and save it. It's what something is missing. What is that? Shipping point and receiving point. What is our shipping point? T201. And storage location is this one. So it's saying like 02 shipping conditions and 001 and plant storage location mapping is missing. What you need to do for this?
Need to give we need to
Tell
give
me.
some condition to
Yeah. Where? What is the transaction?
OVK. OVK.
OVL2. Remember these and all. These and all are important for your
OVL.
OVL2.
OVL.
Yes, all 01s. What is our plan? T100, T201.
So sometimes when I am creating, I'll get shipping condition like 1.
Okay. Yeah. So here what is happened in the consignment fill up process? System automatically take the by default shipping conditions as 02 based from the document type controls. I will show you where it is. We go to Vivo V8 and go to our TCF. Go inside. Somewhere here the shipping conditions will be. It's not from the document type controls. Either then why it's coming as a shipping condition 02? Let me show you. Okay. So let me make this entry first. And shipping point we are assigned. Shipping conditions loading row. Save it. Now click enter. So now it's allowing. Okay. So from where that shipping point 02 it's coming because we go to the customer sales area data shipping point. You see in the shipping conditions we are changed to 02 from the customer master. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason it's coming. So for your practice it won't come. I'm replacing back to 01. Why we are changing the standard one? Not used. So I will try to create the order one more time. So I have created the delivery sales order. Change. Go inside. Check is there any incompletion log is there. Document is complete. Try to deliver. Save it. So after that, if you go here, the delivery document is being processed. If you try to create for delivery, sorry, invoice, it's saying incorrect because consignment fill up process is not relevant for the billing. So what we did so far, we are send the stocks to our customer. Okay, guys, I will show you.
Consignment fill up, we can't raise invoice. That is the thing,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah, that is the thing is correct. So what we did, we are sent the stocks to our customer. Our customer is who? This is our customer. Okay.
Yes,
Dr.
sir.
Reddy's, we send some stocks to from SAP point of view. Think like you are working in the Alchem laboratories. Correct.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So you are sent the stocks to our customer, Dr. Reddy's. You sent 10,000 units of this material. You sent to that customer, and so currently the stock is belongs to you only. Are you getting my point? The
Yes.
stock is still is belongs to you only. You are not sent any product. You are not sold anything. You just transfer the stocks from here to that place. That's all. Okay.
Yes.
So once after created the delivery, now you can see in the stock overview. So far there was unrestricted stock is there. That is 10,000 1 to 1 stock is there earlier before creating the delivery. If I click on refresh, this is the same material. Huh?
Yes.
Execute. It should create the consignment stock here, but why not?
Sir, you gave post issue, post the goods, sir.
Not with the post goods seriously. I did it right. This post goods is already issued. Yeah. The storage location not defined. So we are not given the storage location in the delivery document. Otherwise, it should not allow to create post goods issue. So now it's posted the stocks. Okay. A good point, Rashmi. You are understood the process. So whenever you create the delivery, don't forget to do the PGI. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So I did it. So now I'm refreshing the stock overview. So earlier there was 10,000 unrestricted stock is there. So just I click on refresh. Now you can see there was 10,000 stock which we are delivered to our customer, Dr. Reddy's. Okay. So
Yes,
the
sir.
stocks comes into consignment stock. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here I told you some item categories and movement types that I will show you in the system. So if I go to the document flow, you can see here in the consignment fill up the movement type. I told 631 that you can see in the inventory accounting document. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. And I told you that item category. What is the item category? KBN. And what I said, the schedule and category. You can see in the schedule and category in the item schedule and tabs. You can see E0. The same one we are mentioned in the
E1 is mentioned.
Me one remembrance.
E1 is actually the standard. I think they might have assigned the different one. But you noted this one that is coming from Vivo V8 controls. Let me check. Vivo V6 is the schedule and category determination. What is item category determined KEN? You don't confuse anything.
KAN, sir.
KAN, they make it as schedule and category F1. But what it is determined? KBN. I think I missed. Fill up.
The KBN is for, you said consignment pickup. Item category.
Yes, but it should be KBN here. Here it should be KAN. Okay, 1 second. Because I can see here in the document, nothing we did. You can see item category which is determined as KBN.
Yeah.
For the KBN, what is the schedule and category? This is the assignments, even you can do your customizing. So because of this setting, it's determined as
E0.
so actually the standard one they are using as E1 for some another one. If you want to replace this, you can replace this. But the movement types will be determined based on schedule and categories. So if it is okay, so you note it from the interview point of view, these are all the steps, okay? Not from the system point of view. Okay, the schedule and category for consignment fill up is E1. You can see the E1 is assigned to some another types. So if you want to use, you can use this one also. But I don't want to disturb now until you come to that subject. Schedule and category, by the time you will understand that why this is determined now it as E1. Okay. So I don't want to change the schedule and category. So whatever it is determining, let them as it is. So I'm closed this. Because of this setting, it determined as E0 here in the document. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you clear up to this one. And I don't want to save this. And so here consignment fill up, we have created the delivery and stock overview. I can see that some stock is allocated to consignment stock. So instead of it's a legal requirement, without invoice, we cannot send the stocks to our customer place, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a legal requirement. So what I'm doing, I'm creating the pro forma invoice F8 for this delivery.
This one now you're creating billing, sir.
Yeah, I'm creating the billing. It's saying some error. What is that error? Oh, it was missing in copy controls. LF and KBN cannot be invoiced with the billing type F8. If I want to correct this, I will correct immediately. Wait. Go to the copy controls for delivery to invoice billing type is transaction code is VT FL. It's copy control, so usually it will take much more time, I guess. Our system is much faster.
Sir,
Sir, your mic is on mute.
Okay, so I just added the condition type KBN. Saved it. Go one step back. Create. KBN is already there. It's saying copy control error. Whether they might have changed any delivery type. Actually, I'm checking the standard things.
sir, while we want billing, sir, you're not raising invoice, no, sir.
Yeah, we not raising any invoice, but if it is a legal requirement, right? Whenever without invoice, we cannot send the stocks to client premises. That was the legal requirement. So only we are trying to create the performa invoice, but it is giving some errors. Like the item is not relevant for billing, but it should not actually. If I go to the header, details, copy from, see here, relevant for pro forma, correct? Copy item number, okay. Assignment numbers, come back. Go to details. Pricing quantity over KPI again, correct. Accumulate cost, price source. Price source, we will give blank, so opening routines. See, these and all the important fields. Without, if anything got missed in this configuration, you may have a very huge impact. See, delivery related pro forma. Okay, we need to check that one. Delivery related pro forma and single invoice is the standard one. Okay. Why it is saying not relevant? Currently being processed. Yeah, yes. Now we did the standard configuration we did because of it is a pro forma invoice. So now I have created the invoice for this. Okay. Change mode. Go to document flow. You can see here consignment fill up and consignment delivery got created, but the pro forma invoice is created. Why we are not created the why we are not created the standard invoice?
You're not selling the goods.
Yes, we are not sending the actual stock to our customer. So accounting document, the consignment fill up, accounting document. Okay, But what is the effects when you are creating the consignment fill-up? There are two effects. The stock will be reduced from the unrestricted stock and will be assigned to consignment stock. That we see in the price stock overview. Correct? This is one effect when you are creating the consignment fill-up. The stock earlier it is there in the unrestricted stock as 10,000 something. Okay. After creating the delivery of consignment fill-up, the stock will be added to consignment stock, and there won't be any, make a note. When you are created the consignment fill-up, stock will be reduced from the consignment stock. Sorry, stock will be reduced from unrestricted stock and added to consignment stock.
Come again, sir.
So when you are created the consignment fill-up, stock will be reduced from unrestricted stock. You can see here. And stock added to consignment stock. And consignment fill-up is not relevant for invoice because we are not transferring the ownership. Okay.
Yes.
So interview point of view, they will ask why we are not creating the consignment fill-up invoice. Why you are not creating? Because consignment fill-up is not relevant for billing because we are not transferring the ownership to customer. We are just sending the stocks from one place to another place. Okay. Or dumping the stocks to at client location and customer location. Okay. This could be your answer.
Yes.
Yeah. So this is about the consignment process. So there won't be any inventory accounting will not generate here. And also next step you add it in consignment fill up, inventory accounting document will not generate.
Inventory document, sir.
Yeah, inventory accounting document will not generate.
Later we used to get account is not determined, that one, sir.
No, you are not gone through any inventory accounting document. I will show you how the inventory accounting document in the next step. Okay. So this is all about the consignment fill up. Noted? You
Yes.
know, make it in the Excel likewise. The consignment fill up. We have created the order and delivery. After that, we have created pro forma. Okay. These are the 3 steps we did in the consignment fill up. So next step, make a note, consignment issue. So when our customers sell the goods to their customer, then our customer will inform this to company. So that means we are working in the Alchem. So he will inform us. He will inform us saying that we sent some stock, we sold some stock to our customer. Like that, he will inform us. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then we will do the consignment issue process. The standard document type is CI and item category KEN, schedule and category C1, movement type is 633. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here we are going to create order, delivery, and actual invoice. Okay.
Yes.
So this process is relevant for billing. The consignment issue is relevant for billing. So when we do the delivery in the consignment issue, stock will be reduced from consignment stock and inventory accounting document will generate.
When we do the
When we do the delivery in the consignment issue, stock will be reduced from consignment stock So these are all the effects. Here what is happened? The consignment fill up.
your unrestricted
Yeah, the stock transferred from unrestricted stock to consignment stock, correct?
Yes,
But
sir.
here what it will happen? It will reduce the stocks from the consignment stock, and inventory accounting will document will generate. Make a next point. Inventory accounting document will be generated. So I am going to create a consignment issue process. Go to transaction VS01, consignment issue TCI, enter our customer, the stocks. So what I'm doing, I was sending the stocks. I was raising the sales order quantity of 2,000 rupees. So what is happened here? So our customer, actually the Dr. Reddy's customer, he sent 2,000 units to their customer. That is not from our SAP point of view. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, previously you have taken 10,000 and here
Yeah.
2,000.
So I'm showing you as example. Earlier I took 10,000 stock. We had dumped 10,000 stock at our Dr. Reddy's client.
Yes.
Out of 10,000, they have
Out of 10,000,
You showed
our
2,000
he sold 2,000 units to their customer,
to their
Yes.
third party.
the third party customer. So from our point of view as Alchem laboratories, so actually we how much quantity there was reduction from actual stock 2,000 quantities
2,000.
because he already sold the stocks to that customer. Okay. So
Yes.
now we can able to ask them for that money, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, for
So this
2,000.
this is all about the consignment issue process. So he sent the goods to their customer and he informed us and saying like we sold 2,000 units to our customer. Please raise invoice to me so that I will pay.
Yes.
So now we are going to raise 2,000 units quantity how much charge that we are going to collect from our customer. Okay.
Yes.
So now enter this. Any incompletions? So 130. So I delivered. Go to picking, storage location, and give the 2,000 quantity and do the GI goods issue. So now change. Zero one. Enter. Created the delivery and PGA. After that, you can see here now actual invoice got generated. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
Save it. Change. Go to the document flow. It's open. Why? So what is this nonsense? It should not be open. Error in tax code Y1. Why Y1? Have you changed anything, guys?
Sir, Y1 is Prashant sir's, no, sir. P1 is yours. H4 is mine.
Okay, that's fine. Anyway, our taxes are determining, so I am correcting this error first. So, Prashant, you should note that you should be adding that Y1 tax code, whatever the tax code you are created.
Yes.
Go to the transaction OP40 and
Okay.
search for the MWS is a output tax. So this is the output tax. Okay.
Yes.
Give the
Sir,
sta-
this go products, this go stocks, the prices are determining in our pricing procedure, no, sir, which we created.
Yeah. See, the thing is, we all three are using the same MWST tax condition. Okay.
Yes.
So this is actually expected. So Prashant might be while he's practicing, he might have changed that new tax code to Y1, correct?
Yes, sir. Changed today
Yeah.
only.
So that our taxes is determined, the Y1 tax code it is determined. So now, so after that, so here you need to go and inside your Y1 and give the standard GL account and save it. So that is all about that error. Now click on release. The document is posted. Okay. Nothing I did, nothing I have changed. Okay.
Not clear.
So it's not clear because of that is not none of our business. The FA people will take care.
FI people,
Yeah.
yes.
So, okay. So it's created the delivery and make all these points below to your notes, whatever you are writing. Note all these points. The standard document type for consignment issue is C1. Item category KE1, C1. Let me check whether is there any difference in the item category from the standard to this one. Yeah, here we are using the same one, C1 only. Okay. And the moment type also I will validate. So C1.
Sir,
Okay.
to see movement, this thing where we should go, sir.
So
Material.
you need to go to document flow and go to the GI document, goods issue document. Okay. And if you go inside to the display document flow, you can see the movement types. 633. Okay. Even you can see for your normal delivery, whatever the order you are created, that could be using the 601 movement type, standard movement type that is. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, you make all these 4 points. And the document type, item category, schedule and category, movement type. 1 minute, guys. I will be back.
ರಶ್ಮಿ ಅವರೇ,
ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಅವರು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೈಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ
ಹಾ.
ಅದೇ ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಮತ್ತೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು. ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿಂದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೇ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ.
ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ.
ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಮಗೆ PPT ವೈಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೀವೊಂದು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅದ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಟ 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 ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ½ ಇರೋದು 1 ಅವರ್ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ.
Okay, guys, where we are? We are at consignment issue, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in the consignment issue. So you might have already have one question when it is a consignment issue. So you are already delivered the goods to customer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then why you are again doing the delivery in this consignment issue? The stocks you are physically you are transferring, because the first of all you are transferred the 10,000 stocks. Again you are transferred to 2,000 stocks. Why you do the second time delivery? Is the interview point of view question.
Sir, first time we just transferred the goods, but it was not made to sell.
Yes.
So what
Correct,
are
correct, correct.
so what are the 10,000 goods is there? It is with our customer only. Out of that, 2,000 goods were issued for the billing. The actual sale happened there.
Correct,
Yes.
correct, exactly correct. So make a note this point, and what would be the answer is to reduce the stock from the consignment stock. In review in the material overview. So far, when you are created the consignment pillar, there was 10,000 units are there. After that, you are created the 2,000 units of consignment issue. So now I am refreshing. You see here, there was stock reduction of stocks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So out of 10,000, 2,000 stocks are removed from the stock overview. That means the actual stocks actual reduced stock is 2,000. Okay. Okay. So why we are doing the delivery? Because to reduce the stock from the consignment stock and to transfer the ownership. So we are transferred the ownership about the 2,000 units. We are transferred everything and we are charged some money. Correct?
Yes, sir, for 2,000.
We are created the invoice as well here. You see the 2,000 FI document is created for the 2,000 unit. We are charged some amount. This much amount we are charged to that customer. Okay.
Yes.
So this is about the consignment fill up. The next step is
Issue.
Consignment
Returns.
Yeah, it's the next step is consignment returns.
So
You make
returns is out of 2,000, they'll give us back. How, sir?
Yeah. So end customer return the goods to our customer. That means he's already sent 2,000 units to their customer finally. Here in this step. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in the second step, what we did, he sent the goods to their customer. So but any of the reason he might have transferred some of the stocks out of the 2,000 units. So he transferred 5,000 units to our Dr. Reddy's customer. Okay, that means we are going to add the stock into consignment stock here. We are adding some stock here. So let me show you. So 5,000 units. Yes, what you said is correct. So their customer will send the goods to our customer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Make a note. Make a note first of all. You don't be confused again. So when end customer return the goods to our customer.
When end customer.
End customer, the final customer, whoever the doctor is, the genuine customer is, he was sending the goods back to our doctor Reddy's. Okay. When end customer return the goods to our customer,
Yes, sir.
yeah, then we will create the consignment return process. So here our customer inform the same thing to our doctor Reddy's. So our customer is sent back 5,000 units of stocks. So you need to reduce the stock. That is actually mean of returns. Okay.
Sir, Dr. Reddy will inform to Alcom Laboratories and Alcom Laboratories will inform to us.
Your Alchem Laboratories. Okay. Dr. Reddy's is your customer. Okay. So what? You see, I will tell you. You are working in the Alchem Laboratories. Alchem Labs.
Now we have 8,000, sir. 8 out of 8,000, 5,000 is returning to us.
No. Out of
Mm.
2,500 is returning to us.
Yes, correct. That is what correct understanding. So as a company, you are the company now, Alchem Laboratories. Okay.
Yes, sir.
As a customer, what you did, you transferred the 10,000 units to
Reddy's.
Dr. Reddy's. Here in the first step. So out of that 10,000 units, he was issued 2,000 units to his customer. He is called end customer. Okay. In the second step. So what is our stock remain by this time? It is 8,000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In the SAP stock, it is 8,000. Okay. So what happened out of this 2,000? He was the end customer.
He's sending back 500.
500.
Yeah. He was sending back 500 units from that place.
Now we'll have 8,500 rupees stock.
Yeah. So, so that could be the expected now. 8,500 should be the expected in the SAP system. That means your system, Alchem Laboratory system. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I'm trying to do this. Is TOCR, right?
Only TCR, sir, or something like.
I think it should be TONR.
TONR.
TONR. Click on enter. Why this is normal sales order, right? So, so now out of that, our customer is informed us like we got some returns due to some deficit in the stocks. So he was returned 5,000 units and please take your stocks back like that. Our Dr. Reddy's customer inform to us. Okay. Now we are doing return delivery. So return delivery is required the reason code. The reason code, what I will use the standard one something. I don't know. Here also some configuration is there. I hope until and unless you don't go inside to that subject, I don't want to get the error.
Give returns is standardized.
Yeah, I think I will use this one.
Please check the delete log. Okay, luckily it's allowed. So is there any incompletion log? Nothing. So I'm trying to deliver the goods.
Credit memo.
Go to change mode.
So you go to change mode to copy the number, sir.
Yes, I know. I'm already in the delivery.
Okay.
Yeah. So do the post goods issue. Now go to change mode. Control C. So consignment issue is relevant for billing or not?
Not billings.
Not be determined. It's saying. This is the document actually. Yeah. So consignment issue is relevant for billing, but we will refer the consignment sales order for the return delivery creation. Sorry, return invoice creation. Enter. Why that so? Okay, it's blocked due to there was some black is applied in the sales order. I mean consignment return. I just removed the black. Enter. Save it. Okay. Now
So
we are
you see that block credit memo, so only it got blocked.
yeah, it's predefined some config is there, so it's applied the black on this consignment return. So what I did, I removed the black and created the customer invoice.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So make a note. Consignment process is relevant for billing and pricing.
For consignment,
Process is relevant for pricing and billing.
Consignment returns is relevant.
Returns, yeah, consignment returns is relevant for pricing and billing. When we do the return delivery in consignment returns, when we do the return delivery in the consignment returns, there will be two effects. Stock will be added to consignment stock and inventory accounting document will generate. And the accounting entry is inventory accounting debit to customer account, sorry, cost of goods sold account credit.
Inventory?
Account debit to cost of goods sold account credit. So now note the interview point of view question. Why we are doing the return delivery in consignment returns? Now you can tell compare consignment sale. Guys, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Why you are doing the return delivery in the consignment returns? See, the stock itself, it's not there with us. Okay. And we send the goods to some another customer, that person sent to some any other person. Okay. But
Yes,
why you are
yes.
doing it in SAP?
To keep a track on the
Correct. To keep the stock on the keep a track on the stock and add the stock to consignment stock. This is meant to add the stock to consignment stock. Okay.
sir.
So far when you so there was 8 stocks are there. So after that,
Sir, voice is not clear. Sir.
sorry. So in the consignment issue, what you did, you are issued 2000 units. So it was reduced the stock from the consignment stock. Now it's displayed as 8000 units. Okay. After that, you are created the consignment returns for the 500 units. So the inventory accounting document is generated. And when you are creating the consignment returns, the stock will be added to consignment stock. So now I'm refreshing here. So earlier when you did the consignment sales, there was 8000 units remaining as a consignment stock. Okay, after that we got the returns of 500 units. So just I am refreshing.
8,500.
Now you can see 8500 value is displaying here. Okay,
Yes.
and make the all these points for consignment returns. Document type is CONR. Make this whatever you are writing below to that you write this all the points. You want me to show where the item category will be and schedule and category and movement type? Not required, right?
No, sir.
Yeah, you note this all the points.
The next, that consignment pickup is only for remaining 1,500.
You noted this point?
Yes. Not.
Yeah. The last step, the final step is consignment pickup. So far what we did, we gathered 10,000 units, and out of 10,000 rupees, our customers sell the goods to
Another person.
minus this one, go to this one. So this much quantity came when we are doing the consignment issue. Out of this, 5,000 units actually returned back as a consignment return process. So actual consignment stock became now this much, correct?
Yes.
So total 8,000 out of 8,500 units. Till now, we are keep that stock at the Dr. Reddy's place. Okay.
Yes.
So we thought that Dr. Reddy is not sending, he is waste of money. Unnecessarily, we are keeping the stock with him. So we want to take our stock back from our to our Alchem laboratories. Okay. So if he's selling, then that is good for him. He will get some profits, and we are also live stocks. We can update, right? The stock is also clear from our side.
Okay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Right. So after that, finally there was some agreement. Deal is over. So this entire process has happened for the 3 months, you assume. So in the 3 months period is over. Out of that, there was 8,500 units are there at our doctor. So now the agreement is over. So we need to take that back to talk to our place. I mean our our alchem lab. Or else the doctor Reddy's will say like you take your consignment stock back, like that he will inform to us. Okay guys, no confusions, right? I'm trying to correlate with for your understanding. Okay.
Yes,
Or
sir.
else you note it consignment pickup when our customer requests to take back the stock.
Sir, first we sent for Dr. Reddy's, we sent 10,000 10,000 goods, and
Yes.
out of that 2,000 he sold it. So that end customer gave back 500. Now the total stock was 8,500. So
Mm.
the Dr. Reddy's is like there is no use if we keep the stock with him. So we are taking back that 8,500 to us.
Yes,
That's the labs.
that is the perfect description, explanation. So make a note. So when our customer requests to take that consignment stock back, then we will start the consignment pick. That's all. Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So in this process, consignment pickup is not relevant for pricing and billing. And when we do the consignment return delivery, sorry, consignment pickup delivery, consignment pickup delivery, when we do the consignment pickup delivery, there will be again two effects. The stock will be reduced from consignment stock and added to unrestricted stock. Okay.
Then stock will be reduced from consignment pickup.
It reduced from consignment stock and added to unrestricted stock. And inventory accounting document will not generate. Okay, that's clear.
Yes, sir.
You make all these points: consignment pickup, item category, and movement types, everything you can. So,
Inventory accounting document will not generate, sir.
will not
Last,
generate. No, it will not generate inventory accounting document because why it is not generated? That is also important of the question. Because we are taking our stock back. That means we no need to pay anything, right? That is my stock and I am taking back. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So there is no use of inventory accounting document in this case. Correct. Whether yourself you will charge anything for your product? No, right?
Yes, sir. No,
Yes.
no.
Yes. To make all these points. So I'm trying to create the order. What is our document type? TCP
Yeah.
and material. What I did, what is left out amount in the stock overview 8,500. So what I'm taking all the stocks from the Dr. Reddy's now. Okay. Double click this. You can see here why I am saying Dr. Reddy's. So this is the customer. He is holding the stock of 8,500. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Double click on the consignment stock. Then you will came to know which customer is involved in this. Okay. Yeah. So
Sir, one step back, sir. One step back.
yeah, this
Before
is the,
before this.
yeah. You want to open this?
No, sir. Before this.
Yeah.
Before this only.
Before this
Yeah,
screen.
this one the overview screen. If you want to reopen, I will reopen. MMBE is the transaction to view the stock. So given the stock material, plant and storage location just executed. So you can see here consignment stock is 8,500 units so far. If I double click this, the Dr. Red is holding the stock of 8,500. This is a track for the SAP point of view. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So we want to take that back all the stocks. So I enter 8,500. There's nothing. And you can see, is there any condition records or determined?
No, sir.
Because we are not charging anything for our side, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because of that reason, you don't see any prices here. So whatever everything is showing it as statistical. Okay.
Yes.
So earlier, even though if you go to the analysis, there is the prices are there for TR01 for the same material, same customer we made it, but it was ignored. There was a predefined configurations. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the consignment pickup is not relevant for pricing and billing, and I'm trying to create the delivery. Storage location. Deliver.
Your pickup quantity, why you didn't give, sir?
See, any returns is not relevant for picking. Any returns, not only consignment pickup. It's any returns. Pickup is one kind of returns only, right?
Yes, sir.
Because we are taking back to stock to our premises. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Enter. And I did the GR, right? That's all. If you want to create you can create your pro forma invoice for this. For the same thing. I don't know whether it is allowed or not. BF01 because the item category must be mapped to this one. It's saying like, see, because there was no mapping in the delivery type LR with EF8. So you need to add that LR, delivery type LR in the copy controls. You forget about the creation this document and all, but you note it, somewhere you save this document in your, you can ask me when when we are discussing about the copy control. I will show you how to fix this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You note somewhere else this document. I will remember this one. The delivery document, why it is. One second. Let me go to the document. It's saying completed. Nothing is required now. So, but the thing is, it is saying if you want to create the pro forma invoice, you need to enable that delivery type LF in the copy controls. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That I will tell you during that copy controls discussing about the copy controls topics. So now you go back to stock overview and just refresh. So you see, there is any consignment stock now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, there is no consignment stock. All stocks come back to the unrestricted stock. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So make a effects. What and all the effects it will do when you do the consignment pickup delivery. Stock will be reduced from the consignment stock and added to unrestricted stock. And inventory accounting document will not generate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's all about this consignment process. You try to create your own. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So okay, then I am winding this call. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay, bye. Tomorrow morning I will connect you by 7:30.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.